Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ar Akash YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share the withdrawal process of CATI, and also I am going to share how you get 15 to 200 CATI extra for withdrawing. So before entering the main topic, so I have a very small request to you. So please join to my Telegram channel so that you can get latest update and legit airdrop from very beginning. So first of all, let's check out the event which will give you 15 to 200 CATI extra. So for this we have to open the Bidget. So after opening the Bidget account, you will see here some pop-ups. So you have to check out this banner. So click on this banner. So after clicking, you will get this type of interface, and in this interface you can see earn up to 200 CATI on deposits to Bidget. So basically, if you deposit your CATI in Bidget, then you will get extra 15 to 200 CATI. But obviously this is first come first serve basis. Only 7 lakh CATI will distribute. So joining in this event, you have to open this pop-up and join and click on the join button. After clicking the join button, you can see here registered option. That's mean you are registered. So after registering, we have to go on the bot again. Then you can see here a airdrop option. Click on this airdrop option, then you can see your allocation. This is my third account. That is why I get here very little CATI. We are going to deposit this CATI into the exchange. So for this, you have to click on deposit to exchange. Then select your, by default it select on Binance, but our event is ongoing on Bidget account. That's why I will deposit in Bidget account. So for this you have to select the Bidget, then click on continue. So after that you have see two empty box. One is UID and another is address. So for getting UID and address, you have to open your Bidget again, then go to asset section and click add funds, then click deposit crypto. So after that you have to search here CATI, then you will get this CATI. Click on this CATI and select, by default it select ton coin, then you will get a address, then copy this address, and also you have to copy the UID. If you click on the profile icon, you will get your Bidget UID. This is your Bidget UID. Click on it, it will automatically copy. So after that you have to open the bot again, and then in the Bidget UID empty box you have to paste the UID, and deposit address empty box you have to paste the deposit address which you copy from Bidget. So after that you have to click on the send button, then click confirm. So then your deposit successfully. You can see your Bidget UID and deposit address also. So one thing keep in your mind that if you deposit once, then you will never it change. So deposit carefully. Check out your UID and deposit address many times. So this is all about it. If you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button and obviously like this video. And last but not the least, join our Telegram channel to get the latest airdrop and latest update early. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.